Okay, this is how to get to the reconciliation report. I may have to play around with it a little bit, but I thought I'd just go ahead and record. So go to your inventory and then you go to reports and inventory reconciliation issue report. Mine comes up here. I don't think we ever pick a department. We just do everything. Continue. And let's see. I know it's going to give us a choice between how we want it. If we want it in Excel or PDF. So let's see here. It's just taking, I guess the more you have, the longer it takes. And here we go. I'm sticking with it to make sure it prints like I want it to. Okay, okay, okay. How's everybody doing? Hey, my kids are walking in the door. I'm still waiting. Hold on. Still processing. I'm filming a video. It's no big deal. It's just to some librarians. I'm trying to show them how to do something that we have to do, and it's taken forever. So they're getting to listen to me talk to you right now. They shouldn't have to wait this long, but it just takes a long time. So, did you miss me yesterday? I was at a librarian training. Miss Sharp and I were both at a librarian training. This is taking a really long time. Oh, yeah, she told me. Yeah, she told me you gave her some chocolate. Yes. Uh-huh. Ah! Oh, because Christmas is over, right? So it's a, that's good. Is it like filled with little ones or is it just a giant chocolate? Oh, no. That's giant. How would you even eat it? I'd cut it up with a knife, maybe. This is really crazy. Why would this? Girl, I got all kind of stuff I got to do. I was at a librarian training yesterday. Miss Sharp and I both were. We were. No, we actually go to this place and we learn about library stuff. We get together with all the other librarians in the district and we talk about important library things. Keep on top of our game. How are you doing? Has anybody, I'm so proud of you. Has anybody told you that red is your signature color? It looks great on you. It does. It looks great on you. You should wear it every day. Huh? You're a lie. Hey, how can I help you? Oh, long way gone. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna have to stop.